Hi, it's Marilyn. I want to talk to you about growing herbs and why this can benefit you. A couple of days ago, I sent out an email getting your top questions on this topic, and I was overwhelmed with the response. So I thought I would shoot a quick video and teach you a little bit about growing herbs. Growing herbs is awesome. It's not just for home gardeners, it's also for landscapers and those who design gardens. It's for apartment dwellers because even on a balcony, you can grow a fair amount of herbs. Or you can get a plot at a community garden like the one I'm at now. I mean, look at this sage. Oh, just smell that. And there's lavender over there. There's borage. There's lemon balm. There's all kinds of herbs. So you can grow a fair amount of herbs in a small space. I just love growing herbs. I've gotten so much positive feedback that I decided to do a deep dive training on herb gardening. I've been growing herbs for more than 25 years. And do you know what I've learned? Herbs are a lot like people. They belong to families and they share similarities just like we do. Some of them are kind of fussy and particular, just like people. Others are fairly athletic and might take to jumping fences like your friends in the mint family. You never know where they'll pop up if you don't keep an eye on them. Some of you have asked how to get started with growing an herb garden. Unlike vegetables, which have a specific growing season with a specific harvest time, herbs can be started anytime during the growing season. Most herbs are perennials, though there are some exceptions. The beauty is that you can plant them once and be able to harvest them many, many times over. Isn't that amazing? If you don't give some of them a good haircut, i.e. prune them, they might get kind of straggly looking, so they really need a good pruning. Most culinary herbs like oregano, rosemary, sage, chives, parsley, and basil can be planted from seed. However, they don't all grow at the same rate. It depends on the amount of heat and sunlight that the plant gets. It depends about the soil they're in. And most herbs like a fair amount of heat and sun. Rosemary, oregano, sage, basil, lavender, they just love heat. Depending on the climate you live in, it might take a little longer to get going with some of these herbs. If the heat isn't there, the plant's not going to grow the way you expect it to. The training I'll be providing will go deep into the 11 lessons that will cover the many different types of herb gardening and the many different types of herbs. You'd be amazed at all the different kinds of herbs out there and how they can benefit you. We're also going to be doing 4 live calls. These calls will cover getting started with seeds or starter plants, what location to choose, how much sun or shade, the many different types of herbs you can plant, and how they're used in harvesting, and how much to harvest, when to harvest. I'm so excited to share this with you. This is going to be coming out very, very soon. There's going to be a limited number of spots, so there'll be a small group of people I'll be working with. If you go ahead and put your email address in the form on this page, I'll send you an email in the next few days, and then we'll be opening up registration for the Herb Garden Sanctuary. I hope to see you there. Okay, have a great day. Enjoy your time in the garden.